you feel like life is moving faster than ever, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm showing you Dollar Tree hacks that are going to save you money, get quick results, and most of all, make your home more relaxing.
Thanks to today's sponsor, Level 8. Let's make a gift from Dollar Tree that's going to cost under $5 a person. Grab a couple packages of hot cups for $1.25, whatever kind of Christmas candies you love, some peppermint sticks, and some small ball ornaments. Next, stop by the sock aisle at Dollar Tree. They have outdone themselves this year with the cuteness of their socks. After we checked out, it was time to go to our favorite drive-thru for a little snack and some gift cards. Bella's excited about this one.
If you have a big gift list or you feel like you have to drop people off your list because you just don't have a big enough budget, I'm going to give you some quick hacks using Dollar Tree products.
Unwrap all the lids for those hot cups and you'll see a little vent hole on one side. We're going to make that just a little bit larger and insert a globe ornament in each one of those. I wanted to add some hot glue to make it extra sturdy. This is going to be our cherry on top. This is a great gift to mass produce, and you can use these all year around. This is a Christmas theme, but this could be your gift for birthdays, for any holiday you want. You can just make it to match that holiday. Once we filled our cup with the socks and the gift card, we're gonna poke the candy cane through the top as a little straw and put all the lids on those cups. I'm making these for Bible study friends as well as nieces and nephews, and they've kind of gotten to know me as the aunt that gives the fun gifts. They all love gift cards, so I know I cannot lose with that, and it's going to save me so much time and energy. One way to stop the busyness of the holiday season is to pre-make some of these inexpensive gifts, and before the gift card, they cost only $1.75. If you're looking for a gift for the traveler on your list, or maybe for yourself this traveling season, I've got the perfect items for you. Level 8 Luggage has given me a discount code so you can get a discount site-wide for Black Friday. I'm loving this Atlas travel backpack that fits 15 and 17-inch MacBooks. Level 8 Luggage has ultra quiet 360-degree spinner wheels. They help you navigate through crowds and terminals effortlessly. All Level 8 products are rigorously tested and they meet and exceed the most demanding travel standards. I especially love their travel cubes. I have talked to you about these many times. They have made my packing and traveling so much more enjoyable. Level 8 stands behind their products with a lifetime warranty you probably won't need because these pieces are so sturdy. If you do decide to check these bags, the yellow stripe makes them so easy to identify, and they have TSA approved locks for streamlined security checks. I've been using Level 8 products for a couple years now. I have gotten so many compliments from fellow travelers who watch me zip by in the terminal without having to struggle with my luggage. Make sure you click on the link below in my description box for a site-wide discount for Black Friday. You can knock out all your shopping, even for people who are hard to shop for. My husband took this streamlined backpack on his last trip, and he said it fit much more than he thought it would, and it slipped right under his seat. He was so glad that he could replace his underseat baggage. Click on the link in my description box and pin comment and get your site-wide Black Friday discount.
During this time of year, it's tempting to put ourselves and our health last.
Let's make it a little bit easier to take good care of our dental health by picking up one of these dispensers from the Dollar Tree, as well as your favorite mouthwash. Simply fill the container with mouthwash, put that lid on, and now you have a really easy way to dispense some mouthwash every time you need it. You'll see it right there. It looks attractive, and you don't have to get anything extra out. When we take care of our dental health, we really do a favor for our health in general. Have you seen these Grin toothpicks at the Dollar Tree? Well, I price them at Walmart, and even though the package at Walmart is a little bit bigger, the price at Dollar Tree is still much better. So I love these because I have a lot of dental work, maybe you do too, and they're so easy to use. So I'm going to keep these by my sink to remind me to floss more frequently. I've been trying something called oil pulling, and I've noticed that my cold and flu symptoms have decreased since I've done it. So if you've tried oil pulling, let me know. It's a great time to stock up on your favorite toothpaste and toothbrushes. I've never found any prices that beat Dollar Tree, and they have these new toothbrushes called Guru Nanda that are really high end. Here's another idea for a gift under $5 from Dollar Tree. If you get tired of dry, dull skin in the winter and you love sugar scrubs, they're so easy to make yourself. I prefer using just plain coconut oil, but my Dollar Tree was out, so I got this container of coconut oil cream, put it in the microwave for a minute, and while that was warming, I took the label off really easily. It made about half a cup of the oil cream, and to that, I added sugar until it felt the consistency that I wanted it, and I stirred it into a batter consistency with my coffee foamer. Next, I just put it right back in that same container. I saved a little bit of the white cream for faux icing on top and put a few sprinkles. Now I am ready to package it for a gift. With my favorite label maker, I just made a cute holiday label. Now, one reason I prefer to use plain coconut oil is because you can add whatever scent you like. This lotion has a really perfumey scent that isn't really my thing, but if you like it, it would be perfect just as is. If you've gotten some good ideas so far, don't forget to let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, I would love to have you subscribe. One of the best ways you can take care of yourself this time of year is to buy a planner for next year. Here's one of my favorites from Walmart. I'm going to link to that. I love it because it has all kinds of practical features.
Don't forget to keep yourself and your family safe by keeping these things in mind.
Dollar Tree sells door and window alarms for just $1.25, and I'm going to show you how this one works. This little device comes preloaded with its own batteries. There is going to be a loud sound in just a minute, so you might want to reduce your volume. Turn it on, and it makes a beeping, and then when these are separated, it's going to make a loud siren noise for your car or your house. Thanks again to Level 8 for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to click on my link below for your discount code for Black Friday.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for even more. And if you've forgotten, I want to remind you, my friend, that today is not the end of your story. So do not give up.